नाइ टंनाय रंनो हायनो हाय जतनो हामबाय तिनि ते किसा जॉब एडवर्टाइजमेंट नायलायफिनाय अबंखा डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ इंडस्ट्री एंड कॉमर्स गवर्नमेंट ऑफ त्रिपुरा नि बुखाक्तै थानाय 12 तारिख 9 मास 2025 अंकरमानि ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन by form fill up खायजोंनाय post इंके group C non gazetted फाइदिं केबसे qualification ताई tam post बिनि salary बुसुक ताई ST नि बुसुक तंगाबो नायनाय पुइलाव आरो नुखा senior instructor mechanical और ST नि बागै दुइटा दङो and UR 4टा women candidate ब्रिरं नि बागै reservation खायजाक ST 1टा qualification नायखांके academic qualification only माध्यमिक pass पिया किसा experience नांनाय और technical experience दङो a degree in respective engineering branch from AICTE recognized institute मोहाय अथवा एबा 3-year diploma in respective engineering branch 3-year diploma engineering तंनो नांनाय so जरा मोहाय experience गोनां रग apply खालामनो और post तंमानि के senior instructor civil senior instructor electrical senior instructor IT and ESM और ST नि करे abunia gula senior instructor WC and ED dressmaking senior instruction dressmaking ni tongo bahai no academic qualification at least madhyamik pass angke nangnai 2-year in dressmaking ITI yo dressmaking ni khaijak tongkhaye maybe apply khlaimanai next tongo senior instructor DTPO ST ni bage duita academic qualification amo bahai no at least madhyamik pass technical qualification BVoc degree in printing technology from UGC recognized university 1-year experience computer desktop publishing DTP 2-year printing technology mohai khaijak tongke manai amo senior instructor COPA computer operating and program assistant jara ITI yo COPA computer course khaijak borok ni bagay ke apply khlaimanai ST ni bagay duita UR 3टा same obo at least madhyamik pass technical qualification nini computer science eba information technology mohai tongkhe angnai or postgraduate in computer science and bachelor in computer science BCS and 3-year diploma in computer science experience ke belai no kabang अथवा COPA trade na with 3-year experience in relevant field COPA trade na to ek porichak ini ITI ya tai logye 3-year experience tongkai kengnai তারপরে 10 নম্বর senior instructor employability skill or ST nikroi SC kaisa UR kaisa amani qualification to MBA BBA any graduate ning any graduate tongkhangnai 2-year experience nangnai TOT course technical qualification in basic computer knowledge tongna nangnai and 12 standard diploma level. तो age ni kok sajakara up to 40 year salary 26,025 reserve fixed per month being 75% basic pay level 10. Selection procedure of senior instructor by case selection kajangnai aboni procedure ITI nangnai group C non gazetted oro kubang marjak tongo haifano norok kam ke saimanani bagai o department ni website habinai mano nini Directorate of Industry and Commerce department ga signo hambai